The best loppers of 2023 for gardeners. Prune with precision. Hey there! Not everyone can drop big bucks on the fanciest products out there. That's why in today's video, we've rounded up some awesome budget-friendly options that'll leave you smiling. Head to the description for the latest pricing and product info. Kings County Tools. The Anvil lopper mentioned above is well known for its heavy-duty construction, telescopic handles, comfortable grip, and excellent cutting capacity. It's easy to extend its handles according to the requirements. The sharp blades are equipped with coating. Looking at the special features, it comes with sharp blades and coating. The included handles can be extended from 26 to 40 inches in length. These handles come with 6 pin-lock position stops. To provide a comfortable cutting experience, the rubber grips are included. The weight of this Anvil lopper is 4.34 pounds. The cutting jaw capacity varies in range from 2 to 2.5 inches. It is usually observed that this lopper is suitable for cutting dry wood. During the use, the double ratcheting mechanism makes a huge cutting force. This ratcheting mechanism is easy to maneuver. If you're in search of a lifetime quality tool for trimming tree branches, this lopper is a good solution. For any kind of heavy work, this tool is a recommended choice. It can work flawlessly for trimming dry wood. The offered cutting strength is excellent for cutting any soft or thick tree branches. Moreover, most customers admire the lightweight design and portability. The extension handles are quite easy to extend in order to reach higher branches for trimming. This feature is useful for tree branches high up to 1 to 2 inches. Woodland Tools Co. Weighing less than 1.5 pounds and about 16 inches from end to end, this Woodland Tools lopper is the most compact, lightweight model we tested. It may not look like much, but it proved to us that it was well built to remove hardened, dry branches. We used the Woodland Tools Compact Duralite lopper to remove the branches from a dead and downed apple tree. It made quick work of anything that would fit inside the blade, up to about 1.25 inches thick. The handle grips are soft and comfortable, and the short handles made it easy to move around and work among dense branches. The ratchet assist gave us mixed results. On one hand, it truly helped increase cutting force for cutting hard branches, but it required a wider handle spread to fully open the blade, which occasionally is not possible when working in a tree canopy. Still, to us, the benefit of the shorter handle length and increased cutting force outweighed the occasional lack of room to spread the handles. Although the tool does not have a conventional bumper guard to keep the handles from knocking together at the end of a cut, the unique U-shaped design maintains adequate separation to protect the user's knuckles. This tool offers a lot of usefulness and only one occasional drawback that we uncovered. It's a smart choice for working on smaller branches in tight spaces. KEMAISI. Upgrade your tree and branch pruning tasks with the KEMAISI Extendable Anvil Loppers, a versatile and heavy-duty tool designed to make yard work a breeze. With a telescopic range of 27 to 41 inches, these loppers are perfect for reaching high branches and thick growth. The loppers boast a robust 2-inch cut capacity, making quick work of even the toughest branches. Thanks to the compound action design, you'll require less effort to achieve clean and precise cuts, reducing strain and fatigue during extended use. Crafted from durable materials, these loppers are built to withstand the rigor of outdoor uses and provide long-lasting performance. The extendable handles allow for customized reach, while the Anvil-style cutting mechanism ensures a secure grip on branches. Whether you're a professional landscaper or a dedicated homeowner, the KEMAISI Extendable Anvil Loppers are your go-to tool for effective tree pruning and branch cutting. Make yard maintenance easier and more efficient with this dependable and versatile yard tool. JAW Cedar. The JAW Cedar lopper is a game changer in the world of loppers. This innovative tool features a telescopic twist handle and a compound lopper design, making it a versatile and efficient choice for various pruning tasks. With the ability to cut at any angle, be it straight, sideways, upside down, or level to the ground, this lopper offers unmatched flexibility. The twist handle allows you to adjust the cutting angle effortlessly, making it ideal for trimming branches in challenging positions. This tool enables precise angle cutting without bending or stooping, resulting in smoother pruning cuts. It's particularly well suited for trimming tasks involving rose bushes, lilacs, grapevines, and other plants. The telescopic handle design extends up to 42 inches, and the non-slip cushion grip handle guarantees comfort and safe handling. It's an excellent choice for cutting over or under fence lines. Crafted from durable materials, this lopper is built to last and withstand outdoor conditions. Whether you're a professional landscaper or a homeowner with a green thumb, the JAW Cedar lopper is the go-to tool for versatile and efficient pruning. Make your pruning tasks easier and more effective with this exceptional lopper. WORKPRO. With an advanced compound action mechanism, WORKPRO's heavy-duty pruning shear delivers 4 times more power and features a sawtooth design that securely holds branches. You can cut and prune without worrying about blade bending or warping. It efficiently handles green or dry branches and limbs up to 50 mm 2 inches in diameter. When the blade dulls, simply replace it instead of purchasing a new lopper, saving you both time and money. The black Teflon non-stick coated blade ensures a clean cut and enhanced anti-rust capability. The premium carbon steel blade comes with a low friction coating for smooth cutting and less gumming, reducing the needs for frequent sharpening and ensuring long-lasting sharpness. With a total length of 32 inches, this WORKPRO Anvil lopper provides extra leverage for easily reaching high branches. The triangular iron tube is thickened for durability and can withstand powerful forces. The soft grip handles are made from PP TPR material, offering a comfortable and strong grip. Plus, it's easy to clean, ensuring hassle-free maintenance. Spear & Jackson 8290RS. The Spear & Jackson 8290RS loppers take an old-school approach. One standout feature is the Anvil-style blades. Unlike most modern loppers that use bypass blades, this model has only a single blade that moves while the other stays in place to provide a solid cutting surface. Another throwback to the past is the built-to-last design. These are an incredibly durable powerhouse without much extra weight. This Spear & Jackson tool uses SK5 carbon steel for the blades, with a Teflon coating to prevent rust and other damage. Telescoping handles are another nice touch. Strong yet lightweight with comfortable grips, they enable you to reach high up into trees to cut difficult-to-reach branches with ease. Spear & Jackson also offers a 10-year warranty on their 8290RS loppers. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.